Steve Jacob Dan shares how to start a small business, 5 tips for success. Starting a small business is a massive but rewarding undertaking. Part of starting a small business is doing things in a way that makes the most sense to you, but a little guidance can help as well. Consider these tips on how to start a small business. 1. Recognize your strengths and weaknesses. Every small business owner has certain skills, abilities, knowledge, and experience that give them an edge when it comes time to build up a business and start operating it. However, no small business owner is so adept that they can be an expert in every single process related to developing a new company. While you'll have to wear a lot of different hats, especially during the business's earliest stages, don't place too much of a burden on yourself for too long or expect yourself to dive into a highly complicated task with no prior training. Develop a strong understanding of your skills and weaknesses so you know where to best focus your attention. 2. Start with a simple business plan and grow it as needed. One of the first things you should do as a small business owner is develop a business plan. It's vital that you develop this essential document to steer future work and hold yourself accountable, but it's also important to not go too in-depth during the early stages of developing your concept. In the beginning, Forbes recommends outlining key factors for your business, including your business's goals and product description. 3. Focus on something you have a passion for. Having a passion for something doesn't necessarily mean it's your all-time favorite activity or type of business. It does mean that you won't quickly grow tired of running that type of business, that parts of it appeal to you and, ideally, you can use some combination of existing knowledge or skills related to parts or all of the operation to your advantage. Finding an existing need and targeting it is a major element of starting a successful small business, whether it's providing accounting services to other companies or setting up a bakery. Pairing that need with something that excites, interests and motivates you can lead to substantial development and returns. 4. Understand your target customers and existing market. It's possible to develop an excellent business concept and deploy it in the wrong area. That's why it's important to understand the area in which you want to start your small business as well as your target customers. An idea that could work out very well in a large, densely populated area simply may not get the amount of foot traffic or number of customers it needs in an area with fewer residents. Assessing the market for your products or services, seeking out the presence of potential competitors and assessing how your business will hypothetically perform can all move your idea in the right direction. 5. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Even when a business is on the right track, unexpected issues and chances for growth and improvement can quickly pop up. Addressing these problems and opportunities is critical for long-term stability and prosperity. As a small business owner, you shouldn't be afraid to seek out alternative business financing in the form of a small business loan from other funding sources.